Welcome back, everybody. Today I have another card idea for you. This one is a little more difficult, but isn't it beautiful? Look at these tulips. They have truly come alive. Do you want to learn how to make it? Then let's get started. So, what are you going to need to make this card? You will need some colored paper. Today I am using the orange, yellow and red. You will also need a pencil. With the pencil you can draw on the paper. You will need scissors. The scissors are used to cut the paper. You will also need some glue. You will also need a piece of paper. This will function as your card and your background. Let's get started then. First, you will need to fold the white paper in half, then set it aside. Next, you will fold the orange one in half as well. Then, use your pencil to draw on a flower pot. Cut out your flower pot. Look, now you can open it up. Set it aside with your white paper for the time being. You will need to stick the flower pot onto the white background. Then use a green pencil or marker to draw 3 stems. 1, 2, 3. Then set the card to the side. Now we're going to use the red paper. Fold it in half and then in half again. This will give you 4 little squares. When your paper is folded, draw a tulip shape on top and cut it out. Repeat for the orange and yellow colors as well. Make sure you have 4 of each. Then fold 3 of the tulips of each color in half. Make sure you have one that is not being folded. Then use the glue to stick on the flowers that have not been folded. Next, put some glue on the tulip and add a carefully folded flower on either side and then one in the middle. And that is how your yellow tulip comes to life. Repeat for the orange flower. Stick the half tulips onto the whole one and add one in the middle. There we go. The orange is finished. Let's do the red one as well. And the last one goes in the middle. Use your fingers to straighten it up. Finally, take a black marker to put a note inside, and you can add a message at the very top as well. Thank you for joining me today. See you soon.